200 million reasons to buy Bitcoin. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here. And in today's video, Robinhood is buying Bitstamp for $200 million. At the same time, Bitcoin continues a major uptrend, rallying up to a recent high of $71,800. Binance has smashed its previous all-time high, hitting 726, and United States stocks very well may fuel the next massive growth in cryptocurrency. In this and your daily dose of cryptocurrency, we are going to be talking about exactly why a major rally on Bitcoin is coming very soon. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Robinhood bets big on crypto with a $200 million deal for Bitstamp. Bitstamp was founded in 2011 and was one of the OG cryptocurrency exchanges. It was out back in the day when Mt. Gox was the biggest cryptocurrency trader. Robinhood has, as you know, been moving in the direction of buying into the cryptocurrency space for the last several years. This is a move that makes a lot of sense, but it also signals that TradFi is moving in the direction of accepting DeFi. The cryptocurrency space is becoming mainstream. It is becoming solidified, which means the vast majority of people that are much more conservative with their investments, rightfully so, are going to start looking towards Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. They're seeing Robinhood buying Bitstamp. They're seeing the United States SEC approve a Bitcoin and an Ethereum ETF. We are seeing legitimization across the board over the last few years, and that is going to lead to an untold number of trillions of dollars of investment coming into the space. The deal is expected to close in the first half of 2025. But what's the deal with crypto? Well, today, Bitcoin is down, but over the last 7 days, Bitcoin has rallied dramatically, but it's not the only one. Binance is up almost 20% in the last 7 days, setting a new all-time high, and we're only $5 billion away from the previous all-time high at $109 billion. That means a rally up to 730 to 740 is quite likely on Binance because pretty soon we will likely rally up to the previous bull market all-time high on market capitalization, once again, sitting at $109.5 billion. Toncoin is up 13.13% right now, having surpassed Cardano to jump into the top 9. It is our next biggest gainer in the top 10. Over the last 7 days, Notcoin has still rallied 83% as we're coming off of that 200% rally that catapulted it into the top 100 last week. Jasmine Coin is still up 30%, and Caspa is also still up 30%. All the while, BitGet has been getting absolutely crushed over the last 7 days, following a massive rally that it witnessed several weeks ago. Currently on Bitcoin, we are in the longest stretch of time above $70,000 that Bitcoin has ever seen in history. At the time of recording this, at about noon on Thursday, June the 6th, Eastern Standard Time, Bitcoin has been above $70,000 for over 48 hours. This beats the previous record that was set in middle March of 46 hours, indicating that the bulls are becoming much more confident in a $70,000 Bitcoin. We also saw the three white soldiers formation close bullish yesterday, and Bitcoin's MACD has flipped remarkably bullish. If you watched our other daily doses of cryptocurrency this week, you will know that this is the second time this year that we have seen a bullish cross on MACD above the zero level of the histogram. The last time this occurred, Bitcoin would go into a rally roughly $22,000 tall, a 42% movement that lasted 19 days. Should we see the same rally play out this time, the rally could send us all the way up above 90 grand. That would make a lot of sense because of all of the bullishness going on Binance, the stock market, and many other areas of cryptocurrency right now. Binance, over the last 24 hours, has set a new all-time high on price action of $725. It is on its march to 1,000, and because of the importance of the psychological level at 1K, a $1,000 Binance is likely to come very, very soon. Our massive ascending triangle pattern that Binance has been playing out for the last year points us up to almost exactly $1,000, and LUX ALGO has given us a strong buy signal over the last several days. Go figure. We're extremely bullish. That buy signal originally gave us a take profit between 663 and 708, but if we break above 724, our current all-time high, then it makes sense that the take profit would update, and it would probably update here into the 800 to 900 figure range. Needless to say, if you are a Binance investor, then you are a happy camper right now. If you've been holding it for a very long time, this would be an excellent time to start taking some profits. If you're not in it at all, I would be cautious about investing more since we've already gone through the majority of the rally, but I do think there is a great deal of confidence that it will rally to at least $1,000 at some point in this bull market, so it's definitely not too late to get in. I also want to talk about the S&P 500 because we did actually set a new all-time high yesterday, and we opened above all-time high today. Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space follows the S&P 500. If you're a Bitcoin investor, you care what U.S. stocks do because they follow each other. Going back to about October of 2022, moving into really November in crypto because of the collapse of FTX, we have seen a major rally on both U.S. equities and the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space respectively, and that's because they have a causal relationship. When U.S. stocks rally, so too does Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space is correcting, it normally is as a result of a crash in the U.S. stock market. With the U.S. S&P 500 last month confirming a bullish engulfing candlestick formation and seeing a green month so far, it seems that a major rally on stocks is just set to continue up, and away, especially when the effective federal funds rate starts coming down at some point in the early part of next year. That'll be our final point for today. When the effective federal funds rate, which is set by the Federal Open Market Committee at the Fed, is eventually lowered, That may take time. It could be several months from now, but when that does eventually happen, that will lead to even more stimulus in the United States economy, which will likely lead the S&P 500 even more onto the already parabolic trend that it's already been in. The US S&P 500 has been in a parabolic uptrend looking like a long-necked dinosaur from the land before time for quite a few decades, and it seems that that dinosaur is only going to reach even farther to the upside. News for you as an investor, make sure that you buy the S&P 500, make sure you buy Bitcoin, make sure you buy into Ethereum and into things like Binance, and invest for the long term on a consistent basis, and that is how you are going to succeed. Make sure, if you have not already, to check out Blowfin, because this is the exchange where whales are made. They've got absolutely everything that you need to succeed in cryptocurrency. They've got the markets here where you can trade hundreds of cryptocurrency assets. They've also got their futures trading. They've got copy trading, so you can follow expert traders and follow alongside them, and they've got their earn program over here where you can stake your cryptocurrencies and generate yield. Blowfin's also doing a lot of promotions with the channel, so make sure to sign up today so that you already have an account when the next one of those promotions comes out. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you did. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Oh, I got a real good